G'day bush bashers, it's Grizz from Bush Bashing Down Under. Now, when you go bush bashing, there's some things that you want to run, but you can't because you don't have power. Well, I've come to a solution for that, and here it is. I've got a 250 watt solar panel. I got it off of eBay, so I'm not going to promote anyone for that. And yeah, it's 250 watts. Been running it all week, been doing a good job. And we follow these two leads here, red positive, black negative, and that goes into this blue little gizmo here, which is my regulator that controls the charge going into the battery and stops it from overcharging. And if you look, we've got 12.7 volts on the display, so at the moment we're getting 12 plus volts from the sun. I checked before, was getting 15 volts, and if you follow me over here, you'll see the rest of the setup. That regulator goes into the battery through these two little leads here, and then these other leads on the other side run to the fridge, which I'll show you in a minute. But then also these top leads here run into our inverter. That's got two power points and a USB, so you can charge your phone from the USB if you want. But it's also got two power points. From one of these power points, we've got a 10 meter extension lead with another two power points. So mate, we can have all the good creature comforts at home, and yeah, it's doing a good job. And if you want to follow me around here, the whole week that we've been here, it's been running this wonderful 90 litre Waeko. It's split in two. There's all of our wonderful controls. We've got this side here set as the freezer, this side set as the fridge. We can different settings, plus and minus, so you can control what temperatures you want. And if we open up the top, it's starting to look a bit big because we're nearly ready to go home, but this side's the freezer, and then this is only the top shelf. Take that out, there's another shelf in there. That's our freezer. And then this side is our fridge. And we've got this here, but you can also put this down here and split the fridge in two if you want. So that's yeah, that's our wonderful 90 litre Waeko. So yeah, look, when you come here, I might not be here, but you'll definitely see me next time on Bush Bashing Down Under.